DatePop is a free tool from Notion Invoice. Use it to quickly populate Notion databases with a range of dates. So, as an example, here is my Notion Habit Tracker database. And currently, to add a range of dates, I have to manually enter each day individually, like this. But with DatePop, you can add up to a year's worth of dates in just a few clicks. Let me show you how. So open up DatePop and select the start and end dates you want to autofill your database with. Then allow DatePop to access your Notion workspace, and here is where you select the database you want to add the dates to. So for this example, I'll search for my Habit Tracker database and then click the Allow Access button. The final task is to select the property from your database you want to add the date range to. Then click the button to populate the database. And when I switch back to my Notion workspace, you can see that all the dates have been added to the Habit Tracker. And that's it. I hope you find DatePop as useful as I do.